Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of using the standard preloading feature in Chrome on your PC. This feature allows Chrome to preload web pages in the background, resulting in faster page loading times. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome. Launch the Chrome browser on your PC. Step 2. At the top right corner, click on the More button. You will find it as 3 vertical dots. Step 3. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Go to Performance in the Settings menu. Step 5. Under the Speed section, you will see the option for Standard Preloading. Click on it to enable this feature. By enabling Standard Preloading in Chrome, the browser will automatically predict the web pages you are likely to visit and preload them in the background. This ensures that when you click on a link, the page loads almost instantly. That's all for this tutorial. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might find it useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.